In Python, functions are blocks of code that can be executed multiple times from different parts of your program. They are a fundamental concept in programming as they help to write reusable and modular code. A function definition includes the function name, parameters, arguments, and the statements within the function body. Functions can take input through positional arguments or keyword arguments, allowing for more flexibility in how data is passed to them. By default, functions do not return any value. However, by including a return statement with an expression inside it, you can specify what should be returned back to the caller. Understanding and using functions properly is crucial for writing efficient, readable, and maintainable code. To define a function in Python, you use the def keyword followed by the name of the function and its parameters. For example, def greet name. Inside the function body, you can include any number of statements to perform your desired operations. When calling a function with positional arguments, place them in order as specified in the function definition. With keyword arguments, specify each value after the argument name. Default values for parameters are optional and set by specifying a default value when defining the parameter in the function header. To include an optional argument or keyword argument with a default value, you need to define it before any non-defaulted argument. Default values must be placed after any fixed arguments in the function definition. This tutorial is brought to you by Malik Abualzait.